Welcome back to the channel. If you've been trading on Deriv, you know that timing and consistency are everything. Today, I'm showing you a game changer for your trading workflow. We are looking at PivotCore.net, a powerful auto trading platform designed specifically for Deriv traders. Many of you ask how to take the emotion out of trading. The answer is automation. In this video, I'm going to run a live session using the even odd strategy. Our goal is simple. We are going to place 10 trades with a target of 5 solid wins. Let's dive in and see how the bot handles the market. First, let's look at the interface. PivotCore is incredibly user-friendly. Once you connect your Deriv account, you have access to a variety of automated tools. For this session, I'm selecting the even odd strategy. What I love about this platform is the precision. You don't have to manually click or worry about lag. You set your parameters, your stake, your target, and your safety limits, and let the software do the heavy lifting. It's built to follow the math, so you don't have to. All right, the bot is active. You can see the trades executing in real time. We are aiming for a 50% win rate over 10 trades today. Notice how the bot reacts to the digit flow. Even odd trading is all about statistics, and PivotCore analyzes these patterns faster than any human could. If you've ever felt the stress of manual trading, seeing this automation in action is a huge relief. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, having a tool that executes your plan perfectly every single time is the ultimate advantage. As we hit our 5th win, look at the consistency. We planned for 10 trades, and by sticking to the 5-win goal, we manage our risk effectively. PivotCore isn't just about winning big, it's about trading smart. It's about hitting your targets and knowing when to step away from the screen. This is why automated trading is becoming the standard for Deriv users. You set the rules, and the bot provides the discipline. There we go. 10 trades finished, and we hit our target exactly as planned. This session is proof that with the right tools, trading doesn't have to be complicated. If you want to take your Deriv trading to the next level and stop second-guessing your entries, you need to check out PivotCore.net. It's reliable, fast, and built for results. I've put the link in the description below so you can get started today. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more automated trading strategies. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next one.